The most sensitive part of the penis. An educational explanation. Understanding the anatomy of the penis is an important part of sexual health education. Many people grow up hearing incomplete or incorrect information about their bodies, which can lead to confusion, anxiety, or shame. Learning accurate facts helps individuals make informed decisions, communicate better with partners, and notice when something may be medically wrong. One of the most common questions in male anatomy is, what is the most sensitive part of the penis? To answer that, it's important to examine the structure of the penis, the distribution of nerve endings, and the biological purpose of sensitivity. 1. Overview of penile anatomy. The penis has three main external parts: the shaft, the glans, and the foreskin, in individuals who are not circumcised. Inside, it contains erectile tissue, blood vessels, and the urethra. Sensitivity in this organ is primarily due to a dense network of nerve fibers, especially those connected to the dorsal nerve of the penis, a major branch of the pudendal nerve. Different regions have different concentrations of nerve endings, and therefore different levels of sensitivity. Not every person experiences sensitivity the same way, but certain patterns are widely consistent across medical studies. 2. The glans, the most sensitive region. The glans, often referred to as the head of the penis, is generally considered the most sensitive part. This is because it contains a very high density of specialized nerve receptors, particularly Meissner's corpuscles, free nerve endings, and other touch-sensitive structures. These receptors respond to a wide range of sensations, including light touch, temperature changes, and pressure. The glans is also covered by thin skin, which lacks the thick protective layers present on other parts of the body. This allows nerve endings to be closer to the surface, making the area highly responsive to stimulation. From an evolutionary perspective, this sensitivity supports sexual arousal and reproductive success. 3. The frenulum, often the most sensitive spot. While the entire glans is sensitive, the frenulum, a small V-shaped band of tissue on the underside of the glans, is widely reported to be even more sensitive than the rest of the head. Many healthcare providers and researchers describe the frenulum as the single most sensitive point. The reason is simple. It contains a particularly high concentration of sensory nerve endings in a very small area. The frenulum acts like a bridge connecting the glans to the foreskin in individuals who are not circumcised. Even in circumcised individuals, the frenulum area often retains heightened sensitivity because the underlying nerves remain. 4. The role of the foreskin in sensitivity. For individuals who are not circumcised, the foreskin contributes to overall sensitivity in two ways. 1. Protection. It keeps the glans moist, soft, and less exposed to friction from clothing. This can help maintain the natural sensitivity of the glans. 2. Direct sensation. The inner foreskin itself contains numerous nerve endings, including fine touch receptors. Some studies suggest that certain areas of the foreskin are more sensitive to light touch than portions of the glans. However, sensitivity varies greatly among individuals. Some circumcised men report high sensitivity, while some uncircumcised men report less sensitivity. Biology, personal anatomy, and health conditions all play a role. 5. Why sensitivity differs from person to person. Even though the frenulum and glans are typically the most sensitive regions, not all people experience sensations in the same way. Factors that influence sensitivity include genetics. Just as people vary in their sense of touch, nerve density can differ. Circumcision status. This can affect the texture and sensitivity of the glans. Health conditions. Diabetes, neuropathy, infections, or hormonal issues can alter nerve function. Age. Sensitivity may decrease slightly with age due to natural changes in circulation and nerve structure. Skin conditions. Irritation, dryness, or inflammation can